Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the secrets hidden in plain sight within corporate filings. Today we're diving into Reeds Inc. and their latest report, and let's just say there's a bit of a shake-up happening with their top team. We're looking at a Form 8K, which is basically a report for big events that happen unexpectedly. Think of it as a company's way of saying heads up, something important just changed. And for Reeds Inc., that something important is a change in their executive suite. It seems like their Chief Commercial Officer, Christopher Burleson, has decided to step down. He's scheduled to leave on September 12th. Now, the filing is pretty clear that this isn't because of any big disagreements or anything rocky with the company's direction or its board. It's usually just a normal part of corporate life, people moving on. Reeds Inc., as you might know, is involved in the beverage industry, specifically focusing on natural ingredients and root beer. They've been around for a while, aiming to offer a healthier alternative in the soda market. But that's not the only change. The company also announced a new Chief Marketing Officer, Tina Reekjisinghani, starting September 15th. This move signals a focus on strengthening their marketing efforts, which is crucial for a consumer goods company like Reeds. Getting the word out and connecting with customers is key to growth, and bringing in a new CMO suggests they're prioritizing that. This section is all about those important personnel changes. It's the part where they officially tell the world when a key person is leaving or joining. This kind of information is really important for investors because leadership changes can definitely impact a company's strategy and future performance. Then we have this bit about Regulation FD, which stands for Fair Disclosure. It's basically a rule that says companies have to share important information with everyone at the same time. They can't tell their friends on Wall Street something before they tell the rest of the public. So when they issue a press release about these organizational updates, they're making sure everyone gets the memo at the same time, which is good for fairness. And we also see an update on their exhibits. This usually means they're attaching supporting documents, like the press release we just talked about, to their filing. It's like providing the evidence that backs up what they're saying in the report. The press release itself is a key document here. It's where you'd find the more detailed announcement of these changes. Companies usually issue these to give a bit more color to the formal filings. Even though this particular 8K filing doesn't include detailed financial tables like a quarterly or annual report, it's still telling us a story. It's a story about transition at the executive level for Reeds Inc. The departure of a Chief Commercial Officer and the arrival of a new Chief Marketing Officer are significant moves. It suggests the company might be looking to revamp its commercial strategy and really boost its brand presence and market penetration. From a Warren Buffett perspective, he always looks at leadership and management as a top priority for any company. Good leadership can navigate challenges and capitalize on opportunities, while poor leadership can sink even the most promising business. So, while we don't have hard numbers to crunch in this specific filing, the leadership changes are a definite point of focus. We need to keep an eye on how the new CMO shapes the marketing and sales strategy, and whether the company can successfully fill the void left by the Chief Commercial Officer. The success of these changes will ultimately depend on who replaces Mr. Burleson and how effectively Ms. Reekjisinghani can drive the marketing initiatives. For Reeds, which operates in a competitive beverage market, strong leadership and a clear, well-executed strategy are essential for growth and for standing out from the crowd. We'll be watching to see how these new appointments play out in their future performance. Alright, that's our breakdown of Reeds Inc.'s latest organizational shifts. What's your take on these executive changes and what they might signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps us out, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into corporate news. And for more in-depth discussions and exclusive content, be sure to check out our Discord community, linked in the description. Thanks for watching, see you next time.